Taking a factory tour. Dialogue A. An investor, Mr. Campbell, meets with Luiza, a company representative.
Good morning. Are you Mr. Campbell?
Good morning. Yes, I'm here for a tour of the facility.
It's a pleasure to meet you. My name is Luiza, and I'll be showing you around today.
Excellent. As you know, my company is looking to invest in some local enterprises. I'm eager to learn more about your operations here at Ivy Snacks.
That's good to hear. We've prepared for you to visit our lab area as well as our production floor. The tour will take about an hour in total. Is that acceptable?
Yes, I've got all morning, but I do expect to meet your CEO for lunch to discuss investment plans.
Of course. We've made reservations at a wonderful restaurant in town, and we'll provide transportation there once the tour is finished.
Sounds great. Shall we begin?
Yes, come right this way. We'll start off with the presentation of the lab, but as it's a secure area, we'll need to wear some protective gear. You'll also have to leave any electronic devices outside of the lab.
No problem. Where can I leave my belongings?
You can put everything in a locker. They're right over here.